I'm keeping up.
Hello.
Are you with me?
I am with you. You appear to have something stuck on the back of your bike.
I have shelter for me to sleep in. Do you want to sleep in my shelter?
That's my shelter. I'm just going to attach to your bike. But we are, in fact, welcome back to the channel. We are, say welcome back on your camera.
Welcome back.
But we are on our way down to the Heritage Sprint.
We are.
That actually won't be in this video, because in this video we're heading to a bike night I was told I wasn't allowed to go to.
Oh, because Joe had to add in a detour, but it's going to mean that we actually get to the place we're going tonight to stay at about 9 p.m. as opposed to 7 p.m. and having dinner.
Yeah, but you get dinner at the bike night.
I better do.
It's Indian barbecue as well, actually, just to make everybody watching really hungry. Yeah, so we're going to a bike night. It's at a pub that featured in...
The Hare and Hounds that you went to with Freddie when you had your little day out without me.
Yes. Went out to play. Yeah, so we're heading there. We're going to have a nice gentle ride. We've got about an hour. Get down there. And then, yeah, see who's about. Get some food and maybe something to drink, and then make our way the rest of the way to, is it Reading where we're staying to?
Reading, yes. We've been before. It has been in our videos before. The Bird in Hand, the place that we're going to.
We like what we like.
We do, and it did just so happen to be halfway, and they're a lovely pub. So yes, we're going to stay there and then make the rest of the way down tomorrow to Deal. It's near Deal. There's a place called Sandwich. But I've never been that far down south.
No.
So, well, not for a long time. But talking to my nan the other day about it, randomly, she let slip like it was a secret. She told me that her dad, so great-granddad, was in the Marines and lived in Deal.
Check you out.
What?
I'm sure everybody who's watching right now will have just seen Emily Valentino Rossi and having the exhaust on the floor. My word.
It is not like that.
What has the Mally done to you?
It's never like that. Honestly, that footage at the Mally, I genuinely thought I was whizzing when we were going around that slinky one, and then I looked back and it was so slow.
You did say you've noticed a massive difference on the road then.
Yes, yeah, it does. It has made a difference. But then riding frequently has made a difference as well. I mean, I've had my licence 12 months now. We've just passed 12 months, the end of July. And I've ridden, I think, every month at least.
I think let's knock off these miles and we can join everybody back in at the Hare and Hounds.
Head the Hare and Hounds, go on.
In Great Addington. I think that is it. I'll put a link below anyway.
It's amazing how we keep meeting at random
weird,
places.
It's weird. And right next to two stallions as well.
Stallions.
Absolute stallions.
I mean, have you seen the comments on my most recent video?
It's,
I mean, they think I may have pipped you.
Yeah, I know. I actually did. It's really annoying. But honestly, I think when ours are side by side, the few aesthetic differences will make people realise that mine's actually number one. And high mileage is better because it's been trusted.
Proven.
It's been a trusted, proven steed.
Okay.
High mileage is actually a benefit, 100%.
Yeah.
And for those watching the channel who don't know, so this is Matt,
Hello.
and you've bought a thing.
I've bought a terrible, dreadful thing.
Are you proud of it?
No, absolutely not. But I believe it's the right tool for the job. This is my thinking on this one. It's woefully boring,
Okay.
but it will get me there, and it will get me there in a small amount of comfort. I think. So yeah, that's my thinking.
And you've got a pillion seat for
And
Freddie,
without
haven't you?
without being creative, you deserve to break down because of your lack of creativity.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Well, you wait.
That sounds like you're planning sabotage.
Yeah, I want people to fail. Yeah, this is the thing. I want.
He gets
people to
very
fail.
nasty, doesn't
It does,
he?
yeah.
You know, he appears all nice online.
Actually,
He's nasty
can I
about
just
Totally
say,
vicious.
if your ridiculous plan for this bike
Yeah.
actually somehow gets pulled off, I will salute you seriously because
Thank you.
that would be amazing.
Thank you. We'll have to see what happens in the coming weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, just to be clear, because we haven't really got a plan yet in terms of a journey, I don't think.
No.
Unless Danny's already done it.
No, not Danny's often the organiser, but north coast of Scotland.
Okay.
In essence.
And what are the rules? Because you said for less than 1,500 quid, but what's the rules around
yes,
that?
It's a very good point.
Maintenance, any mods doing, anything the bike needs, that is included in that £1,500.
Okay.
So.
Is that just parts cost, or you factor in your own time?
No,
No
take
time,
your
no
own
time.
No time.
Just
You promise no
parts.
time.
Promise.
Are you sure you want to promise me no time?
Promise. I'm scared. What have
Okay.
you got planned? You're
I've got
going
a
to go
plan.
over the top.
I've got a plan. I went to see a friend, I told you.
See, this is the thing. Every single one of us has a plan for the bike.
Yeah.
Like, as in, no one's just bought the bike. Yeah, that's
I'll see you on Tuesday.
Some interruptions, I don't mind.
£1,500. They are. That's what you could have had. Could have had.
What I am going to do, so you did 5 hours on the train, and then how many hours home?
It was a 15-hour round trip. 15 hours.
So, you know my nice blue Thunderbird?
Yeah.
I found one in about the same condition, listed at £1,400 or nearest offer.
I think I saw this actually. This was recent. This was recently added.
Yeah, it's about an hour from your house.
I saw it. Yeah. It's actually. It's really annoying that,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Train
Really, really
tickets are
annoying.
very expensive.
The
at the
train
moment
tickets
as well.
are
Is that factored in?
Yeah, no.
That's a very good point. No, that's not fair. No, that is not
If train
fair.
tickets are factored in, I'm in trouble.
This
Okay.
was like £100 as well.
Yeah, right
Yeah,
now.
totally.
Because I refuse to give Luke any money for fuel.
No, that's one thing you have to let us off because I went to buy a £130 seat and I think I spent £40 in fuel for that. So it's
Yeah.
getting obscene
Yeah.
otherwise.
Yeah.
Totally
Okay.
obscene.
Oh, seat for this?
Oh, and the seats on there. Another reason why mine's better than yours because mine will be more. Mine will be infinitely more aesthetically pleasing by the time I'm done with it because all of my money's going aesthetics.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you
actually quite
confident that?
Yeah, I am actually. Yeah.
You know, I did just say I'm going to go and see somebody.
Yes, for one, I'm confident with that, and secondly, mine is so rock solid reliability-wise.
Okay.
Totally unbreakable. Totally unbreakable.
Yeah.
No.
Are we going to discuss the?
Yeah,
the
I had
incidents
to get
on the way
old
down
fuel
there?
out of the fuel tank, so it almost
I'm
comes
not
out.
certain that that is the case.
What was that?
Freddie's got better mirrors than you. Have you seen the mirrors on it?
Matt, he's got. Yeah, Joe's got these ridiculous hand mirrors. Yeah,
They are
absolutely
awful.
Embarrassing.
Seen them.
Embarrassing. I wouldn't be seen
You
dead with those.
know what? Leave them on and then the first car park. Middle of the night. Be careful.
Yes,
Because everything can be swapped.
I know. Actually, that's a very good point. I need to look at this and watch it.
Yeah.
You also don't have hand pinstriping.
God, it's getting so nasty.
Okay.
It's getting so savage already.
But no,
already.
do you know what? Level-headedly, I will admit, yes, I looked at yours and thought, okay, fine, it's in better condition. And the mileage is
Well, we
so
don't know
good.
yet. We don't know yet. We'll put them next to each other. The camera can do wonders, can't it?
Yeah, it's true,
But-
it's true.
I think it's time for a drink and some food. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's do it.
Where's Danny and where's Danny's bike?
Danny is on holiday and his bike it's a non-runner.
It's in pieces.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
He's got a mountain to climb in 2 weeks to get there.
I think he's utterly insane for his plan. I don't think it's going to happen. I really don't think it's going to happen.
Danny goes from the most sensible person we've ever met to a completely loopy.
We've completely swapped.
Totally
We've
loopy,
completely swapped.
And that's the other way around.
Yeah. Scary times.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait to see what he's got. Gonna get a drink. I just want to check, are you actually okay with me gate crashing this? Because I did just force my hand.
I'm easy. I was
It's a very good question.
No. Happy days.
Because you're not.
I'm not.
The more the
You
merrier.
were?
No, the thought of seeing two Thunderbirds, I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon.
I was okay with it, and then I'd heard you'd also got a cool bike, and I was like, I can't believe it. I've been, nightmare, absolute nightmare.
Well, you got to see it yet first. But
I know. Oh, Joe, I know. I know it's going to look amazing.
so this is Freddie's gem. I mean, it's in A condition, isn't it?
Some kind of condition, yeah.
I don't know if this is intended.
What, the fact that it's got a lovely open filter
There's a
here?
great big hole in the back of this one filter where the cover's missing compared to the other two.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess that's not running even.
Yeah, I should have noticed that. That's shocking that
That might be a problem.
It's just missing its cap, isn't it?
Yeah. But it's definitely leaning on that cylinder.
Well, the thing is, Freddie has been walking around saying how much of a gem this bike is, and that it's running beautifully. On the way down here, there was a lot of white blue smoke coming out of the left muffler.
Oh.
So, well, it remains to be seen how reliable this 76,000 mile drive Thunderbird is, but
I'm sure
we'll find
we
out
will
soon
definitely
enough.
find out, won't we?
Yeah, you bringing tools with you?
I'm definitely bringing tools.
Excellent.
I think we should get to a situation though, if he has a requirement for tools, I think we should gladly lend him the tools. But
This is going to be an interesting one.
it will.
It's going to be a very interesting one.
I can't wait to see his face now when I point this out. You look a little shocked.
Do you know, I've been looking at this and I didn't think anything of it.
What's gone on there?
There's nothing there. Okay, that's actually really bad.
You got a little hole. No, you'll definitely be leaner on that cylinder.
That will sort my running hours because it's a little bit lumpy at 70. I didn't want to say that because I want to make it as good as possible, sound as good as possible.
Yeah, I might go some way.
So how bad is that? Seriously?
Well, it's not great. It's completely open.
Whoa.
Okay, so do I have to buy a whole new one, do you think?
So I think
You think?
the Hare Hounds Bike Night is potentially
It's,
one of the best bike nights we've ever been to.
yeah, I would second that.
What's your highlight?
I like the blue Triumph up there that I've already had
Yeah.
my eyes round. Very, very nice. There's lots of nice things.
There is.
There is lots of choppers, lots of Harleys, seems quite popular for that. But I'm not against a chopper or a Harley. We own one.
Do you know what the
Quite
highlight
nice.
for me is?
Go on.
The people.
The people. It's always the people.
We've met some absolutely lovely people, and I got a free mudguard. So,
You have got a mudguard.
but yeah,
You have. Can't take you anywhere.
no, more
And
ways
you've
looking
been
for bike
plaguing
parts.
Mr. Dobbs, which
I
is
have, yeah.
always your
Yeah.
new hobby.
And I have an ally in Matt. who also...
That's so nice.
He said if you can just take the smug look off Freddie's face, that'd be really helpful.
And we've had a proper chat with Mr. Darcy and the old man tonight,
Yeah.
which we've never done before.
No.
And they're such lovely people.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. And the gentleman that runs this place is really, really nice.
Yeah.
I didn't catch his name. I haven't spoken with him much, but yeah.
No,
lovely.
and do you think that this is...
You're chopping your head off.
This
Up a
is
bit
like-
with your arm. There we go.
This is like 8 weeks?
The fourth one they've done.
Yeah,
is
8
it?
weeks they've owned the pub,
Yeah.
fourth bike night, so...
Yeah,
Yeah, and
it's
a really good
busy.
turnout, so.
And he did say that whilst the weather's nice, they might increase the frequency of their bike nights.
To weekly.
Yeah, while the
Yeah.
weather's good, and then, well, I suppose you must have to watch their website or their social media, and they'll update you on
Yeah.
there. I'm
I've just
guessing.
noticed actually, right in the background of our shot is Mr. Darcy and the old man eating curry. But
Curry, the food is so
Yes, it's so
I don't
good.
think I took any pictures of mine because I did go a bit heavy-handed with all the sauce on the top of it, so it
went for it.
wasn't as aesthetically pleasing as Freddie's,
But it was
it was
tasty.
delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So definitely
And-
worth coming down. And really reasonably priced.
Yeah.
Like you get your meal for 10 quid. It was... so,
You
yeah.
wouldn't know. I treated you. It's a rare experience.
But we need to get back on the road because
We've got a long ride.
we've got a long ride and bed and breakfast to get to. Is that what you call
Yeah,
it?
pub. Pub in a room.
Yeah.
And if we get there before last orders, we can have a drink.
I think with my distinct lack of hoodie, I'm going to call the video there.
I take my hat off to you. I would be. You are grumpy, but you're not as grumpy as you could be, and it is cold. Like I'm having to dig deep, and I've got my zero fit layer on, which is really, really helping significantly. So
Rub it in.
you
I
must
am,
be dithering.
I'm looking forward to my warm shower.
Oh
And,
yeah, and we
cup
should
of
get there
tea.
before last orders, so you can have a pint.
Oh yeah, that'd be good. I know. I'm not looking forward to taking the stuff off the bike, to be fair.
I'll do that.
But
I'll do that. I'll be nice. You go get in the shower.
thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed bike night, and we'll see you in the morning when hopefully the sun's out.
Yes.
Say bye to everybody.
And we'll see. We'll see if anybody gets in touch. We'll ask people from Bike Night if they see your hoodie anywhere.
Yeah.
I wonder how far we got before it blew off.
Right.
Come on, let's keep spirits up. We're nearly there. We can do this. Dig
Yeah.
deep. Off we go.
And you lot, for my suffering, click like, subscribe, all that good stuff that we normally say. And we'll see you in the next one,
See you soon.
if I make it.